Hello everyone, good morning. Today is 11:45. We just gonna stay home here with this little girl. Her name is Razel. My eldest son, his name is Raiden. He's just very sweet, but he's very kulit. Right, Kuya? Do you think you're kulit, baby? My firstborn son, always hugging mama. Hindi ako kakisa Inday. Hindi po agawis, Inday. Hindi po agawis. Kuha to water bottle ay. No, don't bite it. Don't bite it. Kuya, don't bite it. No. Don't bite.